it's Anna with WTI, and I love adding a touch of whimsy to every part of my kitchen, and these shelf liners are giving me a whole new way to decorate.
INNOLITES has made these beautiful shelf liners for your cabinets, your drawers, and all over. They are waterproof and oil-proof and non-adhesive, which makes them super easy to put anywhere. They are super durable and washable and easy to cut, and I love this floral pattern. It is just so pretty, and I love how it complements the rest of my kitchen. I have so enjoyed how easy these are to install. You can just cut them out to size, or I like to cut a small piece and just shape them while they're already in the drawers. I also used these in an antique dresser that I had that needed a little extra love on the insides, and it really just makes these drawers pop now.
Whether you're trying to improve some old shelves or just add a little touch of something pretty to your kitchen, you are gonna love these shelf liners, and that's my point of view.